Here is one of the freakier things I am finding out right now. So when I go to type in, forwarding, I'm trying to forward one of the screenshots of the IP addresses. So I type in Lori Dotson, form engine at fs21.formsite.com. Okay, type that in. And spoof. It turns up as if it was being sent from my email. Lori Dotson at Outlook. I am scared for my life after that girl today in the silver Nissan threatened me. I am at a loss for words, and I'm going to be going to a parking lot away from my building and making the police report. Obviously, they're probably going to have a tech, and law enforcement specialist or something to help keep me safe. I'm just extremely worried for my life right now. Someone has hacked and spoofed my phone twice. I got a new number in March. This one got hacked. My email, I've been aware of, it's been hacked since March. I had filled out forms on the Palm Springs Crime Report website, never heard back. All my history from February to March is deleted, and I'm being stalked. I'm being impersonated. My life has been threatened, and I just really hope that I can get some kind of help from the local Palm Springs police. And yeah,